to this to install the plugin I told you about, Advanced Code Editor. From plugins directory, go to admin. Okay, once you are in the plugin directory, just type Advanced Code Editor there, just like this, Advanced Code Editor. Then press enter on your keyboard to search for it. Okay, it will come up like this. Then as you can see, I've already installed it on my dashboard, my WordPress backend. So just you see something like this, install now, click on it, install it. Then after installing, you go back to appearance. From appearance, you go to editor. Okay, once you are in the editor directory, you allow the theme to finish loading. Once it has finished loading, so you look at it. This is Advanced Code Editor. These are the tools you are going to be working with to create a new file. Okay, for example, now what I have here, I have only two files here inside this child theme, cover store builder child theme, namely functions and the style sheet. These two files that we have here will override whatever files. If you have the same file, name the same, given the same name in the parent theme, it will override them. Whatever you have here will override whatever we have inside the child thing. I mean the parent theme. So now, for example, I want to I want to have my header.php here and probably my footer.php so that I will be able to do some editing to it and do whatever I like with it. So the first thing I need to do is to select this place and go to the parent theme. I'll choose the parent theme, then click on select. Okay, once it has finished loading, you look for the particular file that you want to edit. So in my own case, I'm looking for header.php. Okay, as you can see, we have header here. Then I will click on it to bring up the codes. So once I have all the codes loaded up, so all I need to do is just to Control A, click inside here and do Control A, then Control C to copy all the codes that we have there. Or you can right click inside it, right click inside it after selecting all. Copy, then you move back to the child theme where you are going to do editing. Okay, we are in there. So the next thing you need to do now is to come to this place and click on this button, create new file. Just click on it once, allow it to create new file. You give it name. For example, the one we have there that we want to replicate is what is header.php. So you give it the same name, .php. So you click on create. So you allow it to create. So close. Once you close, it's not showing here now. So what you need to do is to refresh. Is to refresh your theme. For example, I am actually here now. Then you press F5 to refresh on your keyboard. Just press F5 to refresh. Okay, as you can see now, it's now showing header.php. So it's going to be blank now. Click on it once. So we have plain file here. So all you need to do now is just to paste the code whatever code you copy from there. So now for your editing, all you need to do is just to look for the particular tag, the particular HTML tag that you want to work with. So you look for it. Then I will advise you that you only edit the ones you need and delete the rest. For example, I want to change the directory of this favicon, or let me look for something else. Let me look for something else to change. Okay. Okay, so for example, you can see a block of PHP codes around here. So just try and look for the ones that you want to change. Actually, I'm not supposed to change anything here. I'm just using this as a demonstration purpose only. So, for example, these are the ones that I need. Let me say I only need from here. Let's see. Okay. Let's say I don't need anything from here. This is the end of the header tag, so I don't need anything after that. So all I need to do is just to come here and select all the ones that I don't need here, because they already existed in the original parent theme, so I don't need to have them here anymore. So all I need to do is just to do whatever correction I need to do here and save only that correction. Exactly. So once you are done with the correction, just click on update file here, or you come up here and click on this save button. So once you click on the save button, everything will be saved and it will automatically overwrite whatever you have on on the parent theme. That's all for now. Thank you.